Hey guys, it's Dr. Mona, and this video is all about amazing, inexpensive, but really efficient drugstore beauty finds. This video came requested by a lot of you because you wanted some really great beauty, hair, and skin products, but maybe something that wasn't gonna break the bank, that isn't too expensive, but that you're not skimping on quality for. All of these products you can find in probably any drugstore. I got some of them at Whole Foods, some of them at like a CVS, but I am gonna put links below the video because it's 2018 and I feel like we all just would prefer to order things online. It's like me, when I need toilet paper or paper towels, I don't even go to the store, I just get it online. Point is, when I say drugstore finds, is that they're easy, they're inexpensive, they're over the counter. So I think this is something that's really practical and relatable for any of you. I'd recommend these for really any age. They're really gentle. So let's just get right into it. First product I wanna talk about is this Shea Moisture Leave-In Treatment. The reason this caught my eye is because it's coconut milk and it's a coconut leave-in treatment. So if you watch any of my content on Instagram, in my stories, I'm constantly talking about putting coconut oil on my hair. I like doing it as like an overnight mask and washing it off in the morning, but it can get a little messy. You always have to either like wrap up your hair when you sleep or put a towel on your pillowcase. So it's a little bit of a commitment. So if you want something on the go, fast, this is really cool because you still get all those great benefits of coconut, but it's in a spray bottle. It's easy, it detangles. You can put it on and it's leave-in. You don't have to worry about rinsing it out. This is also really gonna be great for like after the beach. So if you're going to the beach this summer or a pool and you just want something to leave some good moisture in your hair, you can spray some of this on. Another thing that I really like about this product is that the coconut oil is 100% virgin coconut oil. This is the same as if you find coconut oil that's unrefined. So unrefined virgin coconut oil, whether you're cooking with it, putting it on your hair, or using a product like this, is the best form. It's less processed. You're gonna get way more benefit out of it. And we just want things in their natural state. That's gonna give us really the most benefit. I'm not gonna spray it directly on my hair because my hair is dry right now, but you can put it on damp hair. It smells really good. The other thing is that it is sulfate free, so it just kind of checks all the boxes and it's just a really good all-around product. The next one is this Alba Botanica. First of all, can we talk about how pretty and millennial pink this packaging is? It really caught my attention, but that's not what's important. What's important is the actual ingredients. Alba Botanica really stands out to me because it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's natural, it's over-the-counter, it's inexpensive, and it's effective. I actually can't say enough good things about this sunscreen, and I'm surprised I haven't recommended it more. I've recommended other sunscreens, but I do really highly recommend this one. There's a few things that I like about it. Number one, it's fragrance free, and anytime there's something going on my face, especially sunscreen, because it already has a little bit of a tendency to break us out because it can be greasy, having something that's fragrance free is really important. I also like that it's not tinted because sometimes we want our sunscreen tinted because it can do that double coverage, but there are some days that I just don't want any like makeup on my face. Like if I'm going to work out and I need sunscreen on, I don't want to have to put something tinted on my face. Like less is more. The standout ingredients in this, number one, it has vitamin E. If you've watched any of my content on Instagram, you know that I talk about vitamin E being an amazing ingredient to add in with your sunscreen because it actually stops the effects of UV damage as it's happening. So not only do you have your sunscreen active ingredients, but you've got vitamin E in there. So this is just like double whammy and giving you even more protection than you would have normally. It also has green tea, which is an amazing antioxidant for your skin. We see a lot about antioxidants, we read a lot about different products you can use, but I've read studies, I've seen how much green tea can actually work. So that's one of those things that's not just all about the hype, it actually does work. It can fight UV damage. This is kind of like protecting you against the sun currently and also protecting you against past sun damage. So it can help get rid of some of those fine lines. It's also got a little bit of ginkgo biloba and it's gonna give your skin a little boost of energy, which is always nice. So it'll kind of leave your skin feeling a little more fresh and energized. So all around a really amazing product. You can find this anywhere, but I will also link it below the video. Next one is this brand. This is the Seaweed Bath Coat. So this is actually just for your body. So far we've got your hair, we've got your face, and now we're moving on to body. I kind of wanted to cover all in this video. What stands out to me in this one is the seaweed, number one, and then also that it has hyaluronic acid and argan oil. You know I love hyaluronic acid. I talk about it all the time. but we most of the time use it on our face. Why not also use it on our body? So the seaweed is actually really soothing and anti-inflammatory. So there's a few interesting things you could use this for. If you have a sunburn, this is amazing. It's gonna hydrate your skin. It'll help prevent you from peeling, and it'll help get rid of any of that inflammation you can have from like a painful sunburn. It's also really great after a workout. So a lot of times inflammation after a workout can leave our muscles feeling sore or our joints. So if you do notice that, even just taking a nice shower, putting on some of this body cream, it can really help. And it's little things like this here and there that aren't gonna make like 100% difference, but little things like this continuously are what really make a big difference. It's small steps that lead to big results. It has argan oil, which is obviously moisturizing. It's got the hyaluronic acid. So remember, hyaluronic acid is a molecule that when applied to your skin, whether it's your face or your body, it holds way more than its own body weight in water. So you're gonna get even like 10 times the amount of hydration you would if you're just using a product on its own. And lastly, the reason I like seaweed is because it does also have some antibacterial properties. All around, it's just kind of a natural antibacterial. I know we try to stay away from overusing antibiotics, but if you have something that just kind of naturally fighting any kind of bacteria or infection you could have, it's just an all-around really good high quality product. The next product is this Cocoa Kind Organic Rose Water Facial Toner. It is gonna be a perfect product for either right after you use your cleanser, you could use it as a toner, or you could carry this in your purse or in your gym bag. Guys, I'm not forgetting about you either. And you can spray it on midday as like a little refresher. What I like about this product is that it's organic. The way they actually make the rose water is very high quality. They take the rose petals and steam distill them. And rose in general is hydrating, it's balancing, it's soothing. So not only can you use this, like I said, as a balancing toner after your cleanser, you can also use it throughout the day as just a little refresher. I'm gonna do some right now. Oh, it smells so good. Honestly, this might sound a little weird, but sometimes even the scent of something, when it's that refreshing, can wake you up. So I wouldn't even call it placebo. I would just state the fact that the mind is a really powerful thing. And when you smell something nice and refreshing, you kind of feel a little woken up. It's really cooling and feels nice on your skin. So it's just a great all-around product. And one thing to point out, since I was just talking about how I don't like fragrance on your skin, this is not added fragrance. This is just the actual rose, which is really nice. Obviously, some flowers or some essential oils have their own fragrance, and that's okay. But when it's like the added fragrance with things, that's what I'm not a big fan of. And lastly is this Radiance Platinum Vitamin E Oil. This vitamin E oil is kind of perfect for everything. Some people use it as like a dietary supplement, and you can add it to food. I don't personally use it for that. I would check with your doctor before adding it into your diet. I like using it topically. Now, oils in general are pretty thick, and especially since this isn't like an oil serum, it's just kind of a straight up oil. I do want you guys to be careful before using it all over your face or anything, because it can make some people break out if you're sensitive to it. What I do is if I have like a dry patch somewhere around my skin, or maybe like my eyes are feeling a little tired, what I'll do is do spot treatment. So like overnight, I'll put a little bit, sometimes like around my nose. Like a lot of people peel right around the edge of their nose, or let's say you do have a sunburn and you're peeling in one spot, you can spot treat it there. I have actually put it under my eyes when I felt like I just was feeling a little dull and my skin was a little bit dry, and you wake up and you're just glowing. Also, oils in general are kind of my secret for plane rides. I'm actually going on like an 11-hour flight later tonight, and I'm already gonna pack my oils for my skin, because it's the best trick when you're traveling to kind of wake up feeling refreshed with that like dry, not so clean, amazing airplane air. So vitamin E is really good for that. And again, like I said, this can help. Vitamin E in general can help sunscreen be even more effective, but you don't really need that if you're using the Alba facial sunscreen. Also guys, a lot of you have been reaching out to me asking what my best tips are for dark circles. And the reason I don't have just one general answer for this is because there's so many different things that could cause dark circles. It depends on what the root cause of the problem is, and then I can help you solve it. To make this easier for you, I made a really easy, free, like downloadable PDF guide. It tells you the top reasons that cause dark circles and then what you can do to actually fix it. You can go to the link in the description, or you can go to healdarkcircles.com. If you like little guides like that, let me know. I can also make some more of those to help you out. All right, I hope you guys like this short video. I know it's not as long as my other ones. Let me know in the comments. I'm always open to your feedback. I will link all the products in the description, and I'll see you next time.